IKEA dishwashers are popular appliances that combine style with functionality. Understanding when and why to reset your dishwasher is essential for maintaining optimal performance. Most IKEA dishwashers are manufactured by Whirlpool and other trusted partners, ensuring reliable performance and quality construction. Resetting your IKEA dishwasher is highly effective, with success rates exceeding 75% for common operational problems. This makes it a crucial first step in troubleshooting. You should consider resetting your dishwasher when experiencing several common issues. These include door latch problems, where the door won't close properly or cycles won't start. Drainage problems are another common issue, including standing water, error codes, or incomplete wash cycles. These often indicate temporary blockage detection errors. Control panel malfunctions such as unresponsive buttons, display errors, or random cycling typically indicate software glitches that can be resolved with a reset. Regular monthly maintenance resets can prevent buildup-related issues and maintain optimal dishwasher performance. This proactive approach helps avoid more serious problems. Understanding when and why to reset your IKEA dishwasher can save you both time and money by potentially avoiding service calls and minimizing appliance downtime. The most effective reset method is the standard power reset. This completely clears the dishwasher's memory and resolves most electronic issues. Step 2 is crucial. Wait 5 to 10 minutes for complete power discharge. This ensures all residual electricity is cleared from the system. Step 3. Reconnect the power and turn the dishwasher back on. Then run a test cycle to verify the reset was successful. Method 2 is the control panel reset. This is faster but may not resolve deeper electronic issues. Press and hold the start button for 3 to 5 seconds. For models with digital displays, hold both start and cancel buttons simultaneously until the indicator lights flash, confirming the reset is complete. Method 3 is the circuit breaker reset, used for electrical fault-related issues. Locate your dishwasher's circuit breaker in the electrical panel. After performing any reset method, run a complete wash cycle to test normal operation. Monitor for proper water filling, washing, and draining. If problems persist after 3 reset attempts, it's time to consult a professional technician. Some issues require specialized tools and expertise to resolve safely.